Imagine yourself at a party. Your coworker asks you something that you don't want to answer. What would you do? You might answer and feel bad about yourself, or you might offend him with an offensive word. But I tell you, there's a third way. Look at this example. Hey George. Hey, why are you still not married? I haven't thought about. Why? You got any problems? I haven't thought about. Haha, getcha. That's because of your mother. I haven't thought about. The sentence I haven't thought about is the answer I wanted to say. You might have different answers like I don't want to talk about it or I'm not interested in marriage. No matter what sentence you choose, it's all about repeating that. If you say that for the first time and the guy stops there, that means he's a nice person. The second time is also okay. But if you ask again for the third time, repeat that sentence with no expressions on your face and cold eye contact. Because he knows you don't want to talk about it, but still asks. But hey, that's not the end. If someone offends you, instead of offending him back and yelling, you can just go on his nerve with this trick. If he says you're ugly, ask, what do you mean by ugly? If he says you're a coward, ask, wow, how did you notice that? Did you get the trick? Ask dumb questions about what he said. Don't answer him, just ask. Do it calmly with strong body language. This trick makes him mad. Trust me and try it at least for one time. I've cut out the 8 minutes videos money to save your time, so support me.